purpose of this exercise, a bag of type 1, type 2 Portland cement. We have 9 ounce clear cups, each labeled 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.1, 0.15, 0.2, and 0.25 to determine the amount with the least water that will work.
So here we have the 0.3 sample, which means we're going to put 3 ounces of water and 10 ounces of cement.
Here we have 10 ounces of cement, and we're going to add 3 ounces of water. Alright, here I'm just trying to get a perfect cylinder. Here, this is our 0.3 sample. 3 ounces of water, 10 ounces of Portland cement. Time is 8:48.
8:48.
I'll write the time on there as well. And we're going to take the temperature. .2 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay, here we've set up a way of keeping track of our ratio, time, temperature, and strength.
Okay, it's been 30 minutes since the first time we took the temperature, so we're going to take it again and see where we're at.
We've got a 1 ounce of water, 1.5 ounces of water, 2 ounces of water, and 2.5 ounces of water. I'm going to add those to each of these 10 ounces of Portland cement, see if they'll mix up.
0.1, as you can see, it's clearly not enough. Half of it is saturated, the other half is still dry powder. 0.15, the majority of it's saturated, but it's just not quite enough to form a paste. 0.2, all the cement powder is saturated, but not wet enough to form crystals and to form into one cohesive form. At 0.25, enough water to cement ratio to make one form substance. We would recommend a 0.25 water to cement ratio.
We're recording it by writing it on the cup.
Repeating the process that we did on the 0.3 ratio. Repeating with the 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, and then figuring out a ratio with the least amount of water. We are waiting on the concrete samples to solidify. Here we are preparing the concrete samples for the strength test. We are cutting the samples.
It'll be 2 7/16 inches tall. We referenced our 0.3 sample as being our smallest sample.
And we're doing this with a sawzall and metal blades. Here's the process of cutting the samples down to size. We got a fracture line on this side. This is going to be our start point, and we'll rate it by how many turns of this until we see a fracture or the concrete fail. Here we're at about a half a turn.
I got a full turn.